Alrighty, so you can see here we're talking about sequences. And sequences are ordered. There's a first position, second position, third position. There is no 1.5 position. There's nothing between the first and second. So what's nice about sequences? No fractions, yeah. Okay? What's this? Months. Good. What's this? You're faster. It took me like an hour. I looked at that because someone else made the notes for me. I'm going, what is that? Just couldn't figure it out. And then I go, oh, who's that? Pluto. What happened? Got demoted. Why?
Too small.
Too small? I don't think so.
Didn't
Orbit, yeah. So what happens is, if you look at the orbit of the planets, Pluto is like this. It's kind of not in the same plane. It's almost like a comet, but comets like have this really big, crazy orbit. Nobody cares, that's okay. But sequences, okay? Now, we're going to talk about these using interesting notation. So K is like, in this case, a variable, and it represents each of these numbers in the sequence, whatever the pattern represents. And the little n at the bottom is which one it is, first, second, third, fourth. There won't be a 0.3, there won't be a half, there won't be a pi. That's stupid, okay? So then, who is this?
31.
7. So this 31, and it's the which term? Second term. Good. And so here's some other examples of sequences. Make sense? So, which one is this one? 6. You're awesome. Now, which one is this one? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Who's the next one going to be? 49. The next one? 64. 81. 100. 121. Oh, so the 11th one is 11 times 11, right? Careful. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I wanted the 11th term. I want the 100. So here we have a formula to plug into. What's nice, like I said, is we don't plug in crazy numbers. We plug in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you're born January, February, plug in 1. March, April, May, June, July, August, and the rest of you plug in 5. Quickly. Okay, what did you get for 1? -4. 2. -3. 3. 3. No one's born then, huh? Too bad. Let's see. 3, 2, square 4, 0, right? 4. 5 and 5. 12. I believe you. Okay? Now, what's going on over here? Graph it. So 1, -4, 2, -3, 3, 0, 4, 5, 5, 12. Something like this, right? Now, here's the problem. Your parents always wanted to keep you occupied. And so they got you those big books. Remember those big books that you had to write in? And some of them were dot to dot. You went 1, 2, 3, Mickey! Remember that? I'll bet you're all just dying to connect those points. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Because like I said, do I plug in 1.5? Do I plug in 3.1? If you connect the points, you are putting in all those extra numbers. Don't connect them. All right, jumping, because like I said, whatever we don't do is homework. Let's jump to the back and this table here. And you might have seen, this is a famous sequence, but it's a little weird. Anybody see it? Anybody know what's the next number going to be? 34. And the next number? 55. Raise your hand. Last thing. I do collect homework. I do not correct homework, meaning you can get everything wrong. I don't care. As long as you give me an honest effort and try, then you'll get full credit. Okay? I want you to try, mess up here and there, and then you'll learn what not to do next time. But if you're like afraid of making mistakes and you leave it blank until you find out the right answer, you will learn nothing. Okay? Here's my thought for the day. Good students make mistakes, correct them, and learn. Poor students make excuses and never change. Which do you want to be?